Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I am going to create part number 4, which is the axle of the wheel assembly. So to do that, I'm gonna go to File. I'm gonna start a new drawing. I'm gonna go to Metric, Standard Millimeters, hit the Create button. I'm gonna start my 2D sketch on this XY plane. I'm just gonna create 2 circles with the center point option. So I'm going to click on my green dot in the middle. I'm going to drag out 1. I'm going to make another one, drag out 2. I'm going to add some dimensions on here. So this inside one is going to be, what is that, 20? It has a diameter of 20. The outside one has a diameter of 24. There. All right, so then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this inner circle, and I want to use a symmetric direction here. And then the total kind of length of that inside piece is 78 for my distance A. I need to turn the visibility of my sketch back on, so I'm going to go under extrusion. Click that plus sign. I'm going to right click sketch 1, make it visible. I'm going to extrude this outer donut piece here. And again, I'm going to, for the direction, I'm going to use the symmetric. And then this distance is going to be 55. Hit the OK. Now let me turn this visibility of sketch number 1 off. So I'm just going to uncheck it. Then I need to add a chamfer on both ends of those. So I'm going to go up to chamfer. I'm going to click this middle option here because it tells me my angle is 45 and distance is 2. So I'm going to select the kind of outside face of that circle face. And then I'm going to click the circle edge here, I guess you call it. And so there's one of our chamfers. I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to kind of rotate my view cube. And so I'm looking at the other side. I'm just going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to click this face, circle face, click the circle edge, hit the apply. Okay, so the material that it wants us to put on there, it says material SAE 1112. So the SAE steel grade system, it's a standard alloy numbering system for steel grades maintained by SAE International. And I found out that the SAE designation, like 1000 series, that's a type of carbon steel. So for here, I'm just going to go up to generic and I'm going to look for carbon steel. So I'm in this middle, like Autodesk material library section. That seems to give me a bunch more different options. So I'm going to go down and look for steel carbon, which is here. I'm just going to slap that bad boy on there. And then just make sure you save it. So that's our axle. Save that piece. And then, so we have 2 of the 4 created. So the next 2 are going to be a little bit more challenging, but we're going to get through it. I promise you on this, we're going to get this bad boy created. So, all right, hope to see you back. All right, peace.